I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming access and assembling essentials so you can move without delays. Grab a clear map or minimap and set a visible waypoint. This orients you immediately. Make sure you have a camera or screenshot tool and a bright light if the statue sits in shadow. Once ready, head to the nearest recognizable landmark shown on the map and approach along a major path. Doing this reduces aimless searching and places you within range of hints or spawn triggers. From the landmark, switch to focus tracking techniques so you zero in efficiently. You should scan in overlapping sweeps, moving in 10 to 20 meter passes while watching for distinct particle effects or audio cues that indicate proximity. Cross-reference what you see with map markers and any NPC dialogue. Developers often tie statues to environmental hints. If you have a locator or ping tool, use short bursts rather than continuous scans to avoid spamming. This method reduces blind spaces and highlights the statue's exact quadrant. Now finalize by confirming and recording the statue so your find counts. Approach from 2 different angles to confirm the silhouette, interact or take a photo to trigger any discovery flags. Make sure you log coordinates or set a permanent waypoint. If the statue isn't there, don't panic. Exit and reload the area, confirm spawn windows, and recheck nearby clues like plaques or NPC hints. If problems persist, try a different session or ask others in voice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.